Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your site is ready and policy compliant. This matters because AdSense rejects insufficient or copied content. First, verify your domain in Search Console and make sure pages load without errors. Then, publish a clear privacy policy and contact page so reviewers see credibility. Once done, sign in with your Google account and review payment profile info. Accurate address and tax form readiness speed approval. Take these steps now to avoid delays when you submit the application. Now you complete the core AdSense form and place the verification code. This proves ownership and allows ad crawling. Enter your exact site URL and choose the language so ads match content. Paste the AdSense code into your site header or use domain verification in Search Console, and then request a PIN for address verification. Also finish tax and payment threshold choices. These determine how you'll get paid. Make sure each field matches your payment account to prevent verification failures. You finish by monitoring the review status and acting on feedback promptly. Once submitted, reviews can take days to weeks. Check email and the AdSense dashboard for specific issues. If your application is rejected, read the rejection reason, patch content gaps, improve navigation, or complete missing verification, then request re-review. Make sure the ad code remains on your site during review and keep publishing fresh original posts to demonstrate ongoing value. One key tip: if PIN mail fails, request a replacement and confirm your address carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.